The cherry blossoms are one of the most wonderful things on earth. They are so beautiful. And their fragrance is intoxicating. They are a symbol of hope and new beginnings. And they always remind me of the possibilities that life has to offer. They are a source of inspiration to me. And I am grateful for their presence in my life. Cooking with friends can be a great way to bond and have fun. It is a great way to bond with friends and to create delicious food together. Cooking together can also be a great way to learn new recipes and cooking techniques. When you cook with friends, you can have a lot of fun and enjoy great food at the same time. Sunrises are awe-inspiring. Every morning, we are gifted with a chance to see the world in a new light. The colors are so beautiful and the possibilities for the day feel endless. Seeing the sunrise is like being given a fresh start. A new chance to make things right. It's a reminder that no matter what happened yesterday, today is a new day and anything is possible. So take a deep breath, put on your best smile, and enjoy the beauty of the sunrise.